Hello, my name is Jim Anderson. I'm the Director of Technology at the Campbell-Savona Central School District, and I'm here today to show you how to use our website, which is a valuable resource for everything from finding information about your child, finding information about what's going on at the school, how you can use the school facilities, and provide us feedback. Everything is a one-stop shop as a parent, community member, and student. So let's start off. When you first go to our website at www.cscsd.org, you'll notice up at the top is a banner. We always keep this to tell you when our next board meeting is and where it is, so you can jump on our website and check that out. You'll also notice when you come down, there's a front page here. We scroll pictures and celebrations, but we also put really important information here for parents and the community. So right now, we've got a commercial ad to see Seussical. We also have a list of open positions and a button to click here. It'll take you to where you can apply. And if you want to buy new Spirit gear, you can buy Campbell-Savona t-shirts, shorts, all those things by clicking on this link right here. One other great thing about our website is across the top, you can find out information about the district. So district level things, our mission and vision, main contacts at the district office being Ms. Ramsick and Mr. Rosno. You can also see everything from directions to our school, link to departments, and all of our state-driven district plans. Once you're here, you can always go back by clicking on the Panther. At the same time, we have a community link. We've started building this. We have school links and information, our Spotlight recommendation form, where if you know a community member, a school alumni or worker, and you want to give them a shout out, you can fill this form out and it gets them on our list of people to celebrate. You can fill out an alumni survey telling what's happened if you're a graduate from our school. You can go to Panther TV, our own YouTube channel, where we have tons of awesome celebrations of kids. You can also see our live stream sporting events and our live stream auditorium events. So if we have a concert coming up and your grandma living in North Carolina, if you go on our website and click on that, you should be able to watch the camera view of our concert and enjoy your grandchild performing. We also have our facilities use. We have a lot of mental health and wellness resources. This is a page with tons of different connections in our community to get people's supports. And we also have our town links. So if you want to go to the town of Campbell, Village of Savona, town of Thurston, you can go directly to their links. Our local libraries and supports, the Savona Benedict Library, which does tons of amazing things for our community, along with our two school libraries, and our community organizations. This page will continue building as we make more connections in our community. We can always go to our athletics page. This gives us some basic information, everything parents need about signing their kids up to play a sport, from concussion management, and you can even go to our own Panthers Den podcast and hear from our athletes the grit and glory of high school athletics.
Reimagined.
Now, you'll notice this bar across the top always stays the same. So if you've got a child in the high school, you can jump right to the high school page, see some pictures and celebrations. But as a parent, if you want to see, what is my kid's schedule? He's got a doctor's appointment. He's going to be at school at 8 a.m. What classes is he going to miss? Or what classes is he going to get in here for? You can just click on a button and right there's the schedule. At the same time, if there's a 2-hour delay, you can go right to that delay schedule and see it. Same with half days and other assemblies. Another thing on this page is you can go to the guidance department, huge for high school students, review the code of conduct. You can go to Class Link, which has all the apps your child needs to function in school. The School Tool Parent Portal, so as a parent, to go in and check your kids' grades, attendance, discipline, all that stuff, and also a link to our library. And you can see our wonderful principal and assistant principal as you go through our page. Now, another thing is the Savona Elementary School. The same thing, the same format. If you want to see the newsletters from Mrs. Smith, our principal, boom, they're right there. If you want to look at resource documents, the Code of Conduct, Parent Portal, our student handbook, all of our Roars home home matrix and school matrix for behavior, and the elementary master schedule itself. Now, hey, you want to meet a board member? Here they are. If you go to the board page, you've got everything from the board goals to all the board meeting minutes. If you want to meet our amazing Board of Education, click on the board bios, and we've got an explanation of each one of them and how they contribute to our community. Also, if you want to see our school and board policies, you can click a link directly to our board policies, agendas, board meeting minutes, and our actual presentation schedule for all of our board meetings. Now, one of the coolest thing about our website that I really like, we spent a lot of time with, is this I would like to button. If you click on this button, our community engagement team has spent tons of time thinking through the lens of a community member, a student, a faculty member, and a parent, and said, what are the things that we just want to find on a website that we have a hard time looking for? And we created this I would like to section for the most sought after things a parent or a community member or a teacher or a student would want to go to. So I would like to see the junior high school schedule, elementary schedule. I want to report my kid absent from school. Boom, it's right there. At the same time, oh my gosh, my child's got a concert tonight, but I'm out of town. I want to see the concert. Boom, live stream auditorium right there. Live stream to our sports also. At the same time, you can also access our district newsletters that go out to the community, and they go back a couple of years, access to our web pages. Hey, maybe you're looking for a job. I want to apply, register, or request a job in our district, and it takes us right to our employment page, which is incredibly helpful. At the same time, I want to sign my student up for sports. Say you didn't see the athletics page. Boom, you can do it from here. I want to check my kid's grade, but I haven't signed up for Parent Portal. It's right there. The same thing, we also have all of our contacts. So I want to talk to someone about special education. I can go directly to the special education page, and here are all of the resources and our wonderful special ed department. At the same time, if I want to see what is going on in guidance or transportation, all of that is there. If I want to search the staff directory itself, here is all of the wonderful, amazing CS Panther faculty and staff members for you to reach out to should you have a question that is directly to their department. Now, if you scroll down on our webpage, we have another way to get in touch with things easy. Class link, school tool to log in for parents to the Parent Portal. We have a wonderful staff button that gets staff to what they need. Food services, I got to put money in my kid's lunch account. It's right there. Health services, I'm not sure what I need for my child for their physical. Click and you can go there. Hey, I've got an event coming up and I'd like to see what it would be like to use the school facilities. Right there. I just moved into the district. I want to register my student. Click on this button. It takes you to everything you need. Now, another thing that we just added is we really care about our community and how we are displaying to our community, how we are supporting our community and our kids and our parents. And so we've created this CSCS feedback survey. If you're at an event, if you have a child in our district, if you drive by our school and you notice something that's really cool, you can share it with us. If you notice an idea or something that we could do better, you can provide that within this feedback survey. Now, one of the other things we absolutely love about our website is how we share in our live feed all the celebrations that we are doing in our school. We have our kids helping out our backpack program right here. We've got thanking our substitutes. Today's Celebrate Substitutes Day. We had a wonderful Board of Education shared meeting with the Bradford School Board, and we wanted to share our thanks for that. And there it is. We also have a good, colorful way of showing what's going on with our events. We've got Sue's Golden Musical this weekend. All the information you need to know of the major big events that are happening in our school. We also have our news events. These are larger, important things that we want to keep advertised on our website for a period of time. So we've been advertising Seussical here. Our elementary and high school principals, Mr. Bacallis and Ms. Smith, are holding a principal talk with Maya and Joe on December 1st. We also have, hey, my child's in a sport, I want to order pictures. Here's information about winter sports pictures. We also, in valuing our community, have our own little spotlight section where members of our community, faculty, staff have nominated amazing community members that have given to our school and really made a difference. We also, if you click on the faculty and staff tab, we also recognize our amazing faculty and staff for the awesome work they do every day for our kids. Another really cool feature is we have added a link to our Panther TV. So you'll notice right here, we are celebrating our Seussical musical coming up, and we made a nice little commercial for it where everyone can meet the school and cast in the Seussical. But this takes you direct links to those things. If you want to learn a little bit more about our school, we also created a CS promo video from last year where you can hear testimonials from our students, faculty, staff, and parents and community members. Another good thing about our website is if you want to contact us, here's our basic information, direct links to our schools, notices that we need to do through state ed, make sure parents are aware of, and we would really like to share to stay connected through all of our apps in the App Store, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, X, Twitter, whatever it's called now. All of that stuff is available, and we really try to put those celebrations out there all the time for our community. One thing we would like to say, if you notice something not on our website, or something's not updated, or something is not working as it should, or a piece of information that you really think should be on the website, but you had a hard time finding it, we encourage you to reach out to us. Fill out that feedback form. That would be one topic that you could send. We work really hard to be responsive to make this the best interactive information center for our parents that we possibly can. So I'll end this with a Go Panthers, and thank you for being a part of our community.